Saudi Arabia is targeting to increase the share of natural gas and renewable energy sources to approximately 50% by 2030, and to further strengthen the reliability of the kingdom's power transmission network. In line with Saudi Vision 2030, the kingdom is running various localization programs operated by the major industry and utilities companies. To contribute to this goal, Hitachi Energy has established a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Dammam that produces gas-insulated switchgear (GIS) from 72.5 to 420 kV. The factory is an approved vendor across the kingdom and the Middle East for companies such as Saudi Electricity Company, Saudi Aramco, SABIC, SWCC and others. Established in 2015, Hitachi Energy brought GIS technology that is pioneered over 50 years ago to Saudi Arabia, a technology that was a key enabler for urbanization and has been bringing reliable electricity to the world ever since. The campus is spread over 22,000 square meters that houses an advanced manufacturing, service and training center to provide the best products and services to customers. Modern techniques are used throughout the production process to achieve highest industry standards. A team of experts ensure that customers' requirements and expectations are met.
This facility, with state-of-the-art manufacturing and training center, is the one and only in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. We have been localizing our high-voltage switchgears, and we will continue to do so. With a competent human capital, we are able to serve our customers in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia as well as in the Middle East region.
I am proud that my work here is contributing to the development of pioneering technology in Saudi Arabia.
Through our local presence, Hitachi Energy is enabling a sustainable, flexible and secure energy future in Saudi Arabia and the Middle East.